Hello everyone. Every piece of information I'm going to explain in this video was provided by the mechanic who works at my friend's workshop. And I'm here to tell you exactly what he told me so you can fix this problem in your car. The message Check ESC means there's a problem with your car's stability control system. Basically, this system prevents the car from skidding or losing traction when you take a turn or when the road is slippery. To fix this issue, here's what you should do. Sometimes the warning comes on because of a small temporary glitch. Turn off the car. Wait a couple of minutes, turn it back on. If it was just a momentary issue, the light will go off on its own. If that doesn't work, do this. Use a multimeter on the battery. If it reads less than 12.4 volts with the car off, the battery is weak. If it reads less than 13.5 volts with the engine running, the alternator might not be charging properly. In that case, charge the battery well or simply replace it. If that still doesn't fix it, the mechanic told me to clean the wheel sensors located right behind the brake rotors. Use brake cleaner or compressed air to clean them. If it still doesn't work, ask someone to check if your brake lights turn on when you press the pedal. If they don't, replace the brake light switch. It's inexpensive and often fixes the issue. Wait, don't go yet. Many of the customers who came here had that same problem, and it turned out to be just a dirty ABS sensor. I cleaned it with air and problem solved. In other cases, the warning appeared every time it rained. They replaced the brake sensor, and it never came back. So, my friend, don't ignore that warning, even if the car still runs fine. If the ESC is off, you're losing an important safety assist, especially when turning or driving on wet roads. But don't panic either. In most cases, the fix is simple and inexpensive.